Even cause I hear the thoughts. Again, I be alone now. Let me try to reconcile. I just need to call out to sympathy. Whoa. 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 Pick yourself up and start again. Two's never ending on. Guess who's back? What up, Harlow? What's going on? How you doing, bud? Welcome back to the party. Look, he can't run through me. I did a little bit of bug fixing off stream because when I restarted and went to the first level, all the NPCs were just walking through walls. So I had to rewrite the collision points. Doing all right. It's a nice little happy hump day, which is very close to Friday Eve, which is my favorite day of the week. And we all know Friday Eve leads us to Friday. So that's exciting. Ooh, you going on vacation tomorrow? Hell yeah. Well, then today is Friday for you. Enjoy that. Anywhere fun? Vacation is a loose term. Or are you going on like summer vacation? Oh, Glacier. Well, hell yeah. You know, a lot of people like national parks. Depends on the park for me, I think. I'm not like super stoked to go and look at rocks. You know, like Grand Canyon style stuff. It's like, whoa, it's big fucking, no, look at that hole, you know. But I like water stuff, you know. Like I think I haven't been to Niagara Falls, but that's probably pretty cool. You want to see Northern Lights? Oh, hell yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, it's funny because I'm over here in Michigan. I got to see the Northern Lights, the Aurora Borealis, twice now. Just because of the weird ass, you know, global warming shit. And got some really cool pictures. And it's trippy, man. Like, I know it's probably crazier over in like Alaska area and stuff. But because when I went to Alaska, it wasn't the right time. But yeah, like always wanted to see the Northern Lights, and then again they show up in Michigan, which is really weird. It was like it was a lot of pinks. The sky just started turning pink, and then you really started to see like the borders of green, and it was just wavy in the sky. You saw it better on a camera if you do like the night sight. You can't see them? Nah. Yeah, I mean, usually you can't see them here. I don't know. Like I said, it's just some weird, you know, weather patterns that brought them. And they came a couple times. I'm sure they're going to keep coming too. And I'm sure it's going to start moving east. But that's just the way the world is going. But what are we trying to do? So I keep doing this shit where I like think of like, oh, you know, I should really add that feature instead of just finishing the game. Because before I started building this out with the final graphics, like the final animations and all the stuff that looks nice, I completed the demo from start to finish functionally. Like cutscene logic, puzzle logic, collecting the characters, cutscene areas, fighting, you know. You're in Iowa? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's true. The corn gets pretty high there. I'm in more of like a rural area, really close to MU, like Michigan University, but like I'm in more of like the farming area of this area. So man, we get some mad corn over here too. So I'm not gonna knock you for the corn view. Awesome during harvest season though. August time runs around, everything's all bloomed up, ready to get cropped. And on my property, I've got about 12 acres here. We have wild grapes growing everywhere. I've got wild blackberries, mulberries, and I'm hoping we get a substantial amount of wild grapes because we're going to try to do wild grape wine this year. But the grapes have started growing, and it seems like it's the right temp and stuff. It's very humid. It's very rainy. So I'm hoping they start to come out. They're supposed to be going around July. So right around this time of year, they should start ripening. We'll see though, because the berries were already blowing up last year, this time of year. So I'm wondering if it's going to take a little closer to August. But there's about like 10 times the amount of blackberries that, you know, buds that I can see than there was last year. So we'll see. We might be overrun. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Yeah. So I finished this game already. So now I'm thinking about a new feature because I have cutscenes. You know, like you go and you can start cutscenes, right? So that's cool. But the problem is it's very like it takes over the screen like, hey, this is a full cutscene. So any sort of like just comments, there's not a really good system in place to allow people to just like say shit without stopping you or whatever. So I was thinking about adding a cutscene option to where it's just kind of like a talking bubble next to the person. I have cutscene areas do that, where like it's like an automated thing and they just start talking. But I don't have that just for like walking around. Like the two scientists at the beginning of the game that have little conversations with me. Like, I could just turn those into one-line comments that they say, like, hey, how's it going, blah, blah, and then I just ignore them. But, yeah, I don't know. So, do I veer off and create a new functionality, or do I just continue? I'm thinking about just continuing. That might be like a nice to have for a lot. Emotes, yeah, I know. Well, another thing I wanted to add, because in cutscenes right here where you write out what they're saying, or murder. Yeah, you can murder people. I have enemies in this. There's a whole enemies section right here where you can kill people, which I need to add for enemies a health bar. Right now you don't know when their health runs out. And it's very frustrating, but yeah, so we have the cutscene, and in the cutscene you can upload a soundbite for each line. You can choose the character that it's selecting, but I was also thinking about adding an image option. No, I don't want to kind of kill civilians. How dare you? What kind of game do you think this is? It's GTA 6. Did you not know that's what I was building? You've been playing GTA? Okay, yeah, there you go. That's funny. Yeah, so I could add an image upload option here where you can upload different like pictures of the character making sad faces or happy faces. I was actually thinking about making it a little bit more dynamic, and in the character section, the same way that I add voices, I could add images for happy, sad, angry, or whatever. And that way you could upload images of them making like specific emotions based off of what they're saying. And that seems really smart. Like a really smart option to add. Because I can call it character like emote images or whatever. It's another 4 images to add, but or whatever. I'd have to predefine what the emotions would be. I mean, I could add a repeater field so you can add as many as you want, but trying to make this a little easier for people. That's just more work. Yeah. I think for now we will go on. Again, this is just a demo. We're going to finish these, 3 major levels. It's actually ends up being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas. The demo is. Oh, you got it back. Shoot, you leaving in the morning? Should probably get on that. It's a little late. So, yeah, we'll just finish the demo. I'll stop fucking around. You're leaving at 2 a.m.? Damn. Then you're way late. That's crazy. That's nuts. Okay. I think I definitely need to add the same static image functionality for NPCs. I can't really finish this until that's done, especially once I get everybody with their own animations. Maybe I could save that for when I actually create their animation so I can test it. So I think for now we'll finish this right here. This is going to send you to Thyrus. Oh, nice. Yeah, good. Well, then you're almost done. Yeah, so that's the case. let's go ahead. I think I already finished the cuts. Let's just get the cutscene dialogue cleaned up a little bit. Oh no, this is local. Let me just push up the code that I have right now. I think we're in a good position. I'll push up the code and then we'll finish. We'll finish this up on production. Blind playing. Alright. Let's push up the code. I'm highly close to migrating my site away from Flywheel and going to Cloudways, which is a new hosting service through DigitalOcean. And I've checked it out a little bit. My buddy Weaver, Scott Weaver, he's been using it. And he's been using DigitalOcean for a while. And we have a couple of sites on DigitalOcean too. But he put me onto it and it's really nice. It's not that expensive either. I gotta double check what my plan is on Flywheel, but it could be pretty close in price, if not cheaper or better. And their service is really good. So, and they have an integration with GitHub. So I could just manage the code directly on GitHub, which is good compared to having it all be controlled or pushed and pulled from. I mean, I love the convenience of local by Flywheel. It's like, this is my ultimate local environment. It's just like super easy. Turn it on, you're done. I can pull code, push code. So that's the only reason why it's taken me so long to even consider it. But yeah, I'm just thinking of like a long-term solution. Might be good to jump onto another one. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's change the category in Twitch. Yeah, I jumped on a little earlier today, so hopefully I don't stay on too late tonight. Game develop. What engine am I using? For what? What game engine? What do you mean by engine? Alright, let's jump into... I'm building a game engine. Can't you read? Building a WordPress game engine. I don't know, maybe you can't see it. You're on the phone, aren't you? Pretty sure, since you're in my chat. Yeah, that's what I've been doing this whole time. This is a game engine I'm building in WordPress. That's why this is such a freak, crazy product. Yeah, let's jump into the same thing here. So I am developing the game engine while I build the game on it. So it's like really allowing me to test the game engine functionality as I build the game. And I mean, no mistakes here. WordPress is not a game engine by default. And this is the world's first WordPress-based game engine. Now, there's plenty of WordPress plugins that allow you to integrate with other game engines, but this is the first game engine built on WordPress, using WordPress as the sole asset content management system for the game. Oh, yeah, bad eyesight. It's all right. Yeah, no, that's, yeah. This is the game engine that I'm building. So you should be even more impressed with everything I'm doing. Oh, shit. Yeah, okay. So this is my production site. This website is on WordPress. And here, that's the shirt I'm wearing right now. Looks good. Yeah, and if you want to play the game right now, you can. It's almost impossible to play on your phone right now. I gotta fix the mobile experience. But that's the cool thing about this game. It's basically it can be literally created to work on mobile. I have the touch controls already in place and stuff, so it does kind of work. It's just you have to like change the starting positions based off of how small it gets, and I haven't done that yet. Okay, cool. I have to update his images now. Let's go ahead and do that. And I gotta get the cutscene going. I guess technically I could just push up the database. No, I don't want to do that. We'll just do it again. So where's left static? Oh, I already have it. And right static. Why did it? Are these not real? What's walking? Oh, they don't exist. Oh shit, did I push the database up? God damn it. I was all like, nah, I don't want to push the database up, and then I fucking push it. I keep forgetting to uncheck that when I use it to pull the database. Ugh, that's so annoying. I'm gonna push up the images so I don't have to. So dumb. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. I have been keeping them pretty parity in parallel. Let's push up the code to GitHub too. NPC stop static image change and rewrite via collision overlap function. I try to keep it pretty pushed. I mean, I need all the code on the cloud just in case my computer explodes. I can continue to build this. In the meantime, let's try this out. Yeah, I think it's the first time I played that perfectly. Today's your birthday. Happy birthday, man. Here, I'll give you some of this. Almost. Yeah, happy birthday. And then maybe some of this. It's Joe's birthday. Fantastic, man. Happy birthday. That's great. And you're going on a trip tomorrow? Time of your life. I love it. I should play happy birthday. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't want to get demonetized though. What's that? And many more. There we go. If I get demonetized, it's because of you. Weren't they like suing a bunch of people for having the birthday song? I know that was a thing at one point. They might have gotten over that. I don't remember. Alright, does he have his stop images now? Yep. Okay, good. Whatever. Okay, let's restart. I purposely didn't play it perfectly, if that's what you mean. And I'm pretty sure that's not the right keys either. This is your birthday song. Happy birthday. Hello. Oh. Those should be pictures of you, I'm sorry. Hey, look at me. I'm talking to you. I'm the main character of the game. I need that sound for that. I also need to add all the songs. Oh no, it's playing. Good. Dr. Cranston.
I wonder what that sign says.
I wonder what that sign says. Sounds just like me. Yeah, it's looking pretty full. And now that I have the new overlap logic, the NPCs, as soon as they touch me, the cutscenes trigger, which is pretty freaking great. Before, like, I kind of had to run into them myself, just because, like I said, the whole client bounding rec, it's not how the game's built. So offset left and right, it's just better. Well, now they're kind of just dicking around their offices, though. Hey, come here. Touch me. Touch me, shorty.
Oh, sorry, Giles. Didn't see you there. No problem, mate.
Oh. No problem,
I
mate.
gotta go pack up. Got fired and all. Look, I know.
Awkward.
Bye, Giles.
And they're not walking. Everything is working.
What was I doing again? Oh, need to grab my stuff.
That's right. Nailed it.
Guess I should talk to my boss before I leave for good.
So dramatic.
Hey, Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig.
Oh, hey, great. Sorry, I didn't notice you were there. Look, so sorry about your...
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex.
Grain, unfortunately no one saw, and it isn't just the...
Cranston and Giles have been in a funding war with me since I was brought on. You know they'd say anything too.
Don't forget the watermelon incident. There's just no way they'll agree to let me keep funding. Meet me in my office.
Mysterious. And he just walks away like nothing happened. Mysterious. Hey, come back here. You can't walk through walls without letting me follow you. Okay. Well. Looks like I put the wrong song in this level. And the settings is overlapped by something apparently. Where the hell can I click you? Huh. That's weird. Oh. Is this fucking fist in the way? No. What the hell's in the way? Oh my god. Why won't this open? Where the fuck is it? That's weird that it's playing that song, actually. And why aren't the fucking... Why is the settings not working? Huh. That's not good. Yeah, if that was actually the song I chose for the level, then it would repeat. So I'm wondering why it's playing that. TBH. We need to fix that. Let's double check if for some reason that was the song I uploaded. No, see, I don't even have any music. So, why is that happening? Let's check local. Is that happening to local too? Let's unmute local. Because if it is happening here, at least I can fix it. Okay, it is happening. But I don't think it's happening. Yeah, see, it's not happening unless you come from the other level. Why? Let me check that out. New Orbem area. So new area. Enter new area. So when you go to the new area, where's the music logic? Here we go, music. Yeah, but it should be based off of the location, which the position is the new music position. What's happening in the position? Am I not doing the right thing on position? No, yeah, position is position. Okay. So that's correct. New next area position. What the hell is that for? Alright, anyways. So for some reason, is music names include the intro music? I don't think it does. No, yeah, it just doesn't have anything. Okay. So that exists. This is empty. So new music is wrong. Is it because it's trying to play new music and it doesn't exist? It doesn't do that on load though. I guess it's not trying to then. Yeah, here we go. New music. Play song. ID is the name. Play. Yeah, maybe it's just grabbing the wrong shit. Audio play. I'm creating the audio. Oh, I'm getting the path. That's right. But the path is coming from what? Oh, from the new music. Huh. So I must be passing the wrong thing at new music. Right? Is this just engage? No, see, yeah, this is the new area. Let's see what we're getting over here for the music. I am interested. Might not be calling this at all, which would be even more interesting. I gotta look into how the intro music's being played. Where did the name Orbem Order come from? Good question. Well, pretty simple answer, but my sci-fi fantasy novel series. So it's the Harmonian Chronicles. It's gonna be a 4-book series. I only have 2 books out right now. The 3rd book I'm writing. I'm like 3 chapters in, and then I've been procrastinating for playing the game or making the game. But I will finish the series, I promise. Book 1 is Orbem. And the whole series is kind of surrounded by the fantasy universe Orbem, where, you know, the main character and other characters go. And the Orbem Order is actually an ancient council that used to run like the international affairs basically of Orbem. I should give you a copy. Hey man, if you have Kindle Unlimited, you can just read it right now on your Kindle Unlimited account. Or if you have any credits on Audible, you can listen to it or sign up for a free Audible account. You know, they give you credits for free. You could listen to the book. I have audiobooks. And if you want to read it, yeah, it's available. Or you're going to have to wait for a giveaway. I do giveaways when I hit major milestones on subscribers or followers. So maybe if I hit, maybe when I hit 400 subscribers on YouTube. Or 500, I don't know. I was like doing it every 100 subscribers, but I was getting, I was giving away too much stuff. Anyways, yeah. Orbem Order, kind of like a piece of the book in Orbem. And ended up naming my company Orbem Order. Because I want people to be part of the order, you know, join something. You know, you're like in the wizarding world of Harry Potter. I want you to be part of the Orbem Order. So that's where that all came from. And it's good. So I centered everything around it. Also, I couldn't get Orbem.com. That was one of the main issues. Because unfortunately, there is an egg AI company called Orbem. And they took Orbem.com. So I couldn't do that. But I already came out with the book. So I wasn't going to rename it. But I like it. Alright, we need to check now what we're getting in the console logs. For that music shit. Oh, hey, look. It opens. It's opening the settings. Huh. Why wasn't it opening on production? That's weird. Alright, let's see what we get when we go to the new area. Because if we do get consoles and the music comes in and stuff like that, I'm guessing it's just because there's no default or something. Okay. Well, CEO office was correct. Nothing was correct. And it looks like I can't open up these menus here. But I can open them here. Yeah, when I reload. So something's still off. I wonder if it's related to the music shit, but let's see here. The fact that this is empty. Do I have any conditions when it's empty? Yeah, so this can't be nothing. So I think what we need to do is if equals if path and it's not equal path. Oh. You're making a game about the book I wrote. Yeah, exactly. It is 100% a flex. And I made music about the book I wrote, which I use in the game that I'm making for the book I wrote. So much. Oh no, path. Yeah. Hey, Sama Beans. What's going on, bud? I see you're on the phone today. So path or that return. Let's see if this fixes it. And I made the website that has the music and the game and the products and the merch about the book series. Beans. Yeah, and if anybody likes the music they're hearing in the background, it's all bands I was in, or songs I recorded for bands with me in it. So it's all available online. Most of them are available online. Some of them, they're too old or whatever, so I have them on my Patreon that you can just buy. It's the list of all the songs that I don't have available online. But most of them, I could just tell you where to find them. Alright, well, that didn't fix it. Interesting. It did fix that error, though. So, that's good. Alright, well, what the fuck? So why is the intro music starting? Intro. That's intro video. So this is on load. Intro video. Oh, but that's the intro video. Is the intro video playing in the background, maybe? Maybe. Oh, play start screen. No, that's different. That's the start screen music. But the intro video is different as well. Oh yeah, major South Park fan. I grew up watching South Park back when it was like just starting. I remember watching the Y2K New Year's Day episode when they did the actual countdown live for Y2K, which was crazy. Though I haven't watched the last few episodes. I kind of like to let the newer seasons go so I can just binge.
Hey Graham, I heard about you getting
Oh god,
let
she
go.
walked into me.
The world is cruel and people are nasty. That's why I keep to my plans.
Thanks, Carol.
Thanks, Carol.
Here, you're going to need
It's
this
picture?
now that you're unemployed.
Thanks, Carol. $50 like a good grandma would give me. So it's not the start screen music. Okay, so this song might be somewhere. I don't know where though. Let me double check. Do I have any game options? Start menu music. Here's the video. Start screen video. This is a sign-in background image. Yeah, that's fine. Walking, gem sparkle. Okay, so it's not here. Your idea of an ad AI assistant of your own did not end well. You had to erase my hard drive due to it spamming random nonsense. It was quite the experiment. Wait, what? You made my idea of AD and AI assistant? I thought you meant like an ad, like an advertisement. What are you talking? What'd you make? Try to make your own AI assistant? Is that what you did? Because that's cray. Oh, your profile picture. Oh, it's Kenny. It's so small I couldn't tell because it's like only like a clip of his side. At least it's like a corner of Kenny. Did not end well. What, they didn't assist you well? That's sad. Do your job, AI. When you restart, that did not go as planned. Ah. Got it. So, let me double check. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if it's the video that's playing. Because that would at least let me know what to look into.
What was I doing again?
Oh.
Oh, need to grab my stuff.
What? Alright, hold on. Let me look at the intro video. Intro video. Let's see if it starts playing. Alright, here's intro video. Now if I delete this, will it stop? Okay. It says my parents just got a divorce. Swag. Alright. That's crazy. I see your map is coming to life. It's not like an empty halls. Oh yeah, I know. Oh yeah. We have very nice assets now. We have fully furnished CEO office, crazy rooms, which I am still considering replacing this hot tub with a an animated GIF of it moving. I have one that I can replace it with that I animated. Shaders, no. We're gonna try to keep this as pixel arty as possible.
You know why I started Foresight.
Oh god damn it. I didn't mean to do that.
To take over the world?
So
No,
funny.
it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought possible, to bring technology to godlike heights.
Yeah, this is still not working
Oh,
either.
yeah, that's what I meant to say.
Alright. I definitely want to add shadowing though under all the characters that are walking. Like, it's really easy for me to just add shadows under the animations. So it looks a little bit better while people are walking around. They're not just like floating with no shadows. But yeah, nothing dynamic. Okay, I need... Why is the intro video playing? The intro video is playing because I think maybe what's happening is when I go to a new area, it's repainting the intro video as well, which it... Why is it doing that? Let me see here. Because it does seem like it kind of like made me get out of it. Redman wants over the... Yep. Exactly. Hey, don't read ahead, man. Intro video. So the intro video is inside main. I don't think I'm rebuilding this though in the new area. No, I'm not rebuilding this. The only thing I'm rebuilding is the dev mode shit. So I wonder what... Huh. Yeah, I know. Fucking intro video. Why are you in my way, brah? Okay, so what starts it? That's what I need to know. I know it's on autoplay, but it's not going anywhere. Okay, this will tell me if it's getting repainted onto the screen. I'm going to delete it. And now I'm going to go to the new area and see if it starts playing.
What was I doing again?
Because if it doesn't start playing, then that means that something else is triggering it. Okay, good. Good to know. You're being attacked in Fallout 4. Uh-oh. Okay. So, intro video, right here. Unmuted, muted. Where's the play? Play, start screen, intro video. Wait, how do I... What's playing it? Yes, the muting logic. Wait, what? Oh, intro video. Yeah, that's right. I'm not playing it. You need to go to bed?
I heard about
All right.
let go. The world is cruel and
Get some
people are
sleep,
nasty.
Harlow.
That's why I keep to
Thank
my
you so
plans.
much for jumping on again.
Thanks.
Can't wait to see and hear
Here, you're
all
going
the
to
cool
need
things
this
you did
now
on
that
your
you're
trip.
unemployed.
So, have a good one. Sorry, you might have a nightmare now. Enjoy. See you later, man. Having issues. Okay, what was I doing? So, the intro video plays automatically when it loads on the site. Why is it playing again when I'm not reloading it? That is the question. Because I'm not actually playing it. Hey, Dak dude. What's going on? It's been a while, man. I'm just trying to debug this this issue. The intro video is playing when I go to the next level for some reason. I don't know what's doing that. Hey, e-waste. What is that thing on your ear? What? Oh, and this? Plug gauge. 1.25 inches. Took me about 21 years to get this size. Not that I was trying, but yeah, just ear gauges. Well, did you make sure you add only if the user starts? Your brain is braining, yeah. Well, yeah, like I said, it's in the template. So intro video is right here in the HTML template itself. So what happens is if the right things are met, it plays. And it plays autoplay because it just gets loaded on the page and starts playing. Now, the only way it should be playing again is if it reloaded onto the page. Which it's not. So something else is, for some reason, triggering the video. And I thought at first it was music. It's not music. It's the actual intro video. Because when I deleted it, it didn't start. Which means that, yeah, it's just kind of reloading. So the only way I can get rid of this is don't autoplay and play it with logic instead. Which, like, I can do, I guess. I would do it here, basically. I would do intro video play, right? But I don't know. I mean, I guess I can try that. Well, this is WordPress, so the backend's all PHP. Front end, I'm using vanilla JavaScript, Sass styling, and I mean, PHP templates full of HTML, so normal website development stuff. Normal website programming, making a video game in a website. Nothing out of the ordinary. Alright, let's see if the autoplay works for the video. Okay, so the logic works still with my removing autoplay. Let's see if this fixes the it autoplaying when it goes to the new area. Because if it doesn't, let me actually double check the autoplay is turned off. Intro video. And yeah, e-waste, you can play this right now. You can play exactly what I'm messing around with right now. Orbem.games. You don't even have to log in or create an account. I made it so you could just play. I mean, none of your game progress will be saved, but it's not like there's a lot of game to play anyway, so. But if you are interested, you can mess around with the game on the website. Okay, so it looks like autoplay is gone. Good, good, good. Oh, sorry. Orbem.games. Orbem.games. That'll take you straight to the game. Or you can go to orbemortar.com. Got a lot more than just a game there. Including the stream is playing on Twitch right there for you. And we got a bunch of merch. You can join the Discord. Great community. You know, we do web development, we do game development, 3D printing, music, writing. This game is based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles, which book 1 is Orbem. That's where the Orbem name comes from. Book 2 is Miropelia, which is another universe as well. And book 3 is right here. I'll give you a sneak preview. Oh, sorry, that's actually not book 3, but I've only written a few chapters of that, so. Let us see if we can get the video not to play. Oh, okay. I think that solved it. Yeah, I just got rid of autoplay. What? You would join, but sending error message, ending crash. With the Discord link? Uh-oh. It's my Discord link expired. That happens sometimes. Oh no, it's just you. Good. Good, I'm glad you crashed and it wasn't me. Alright, that's fixed. Let's push this up and continue on. I don't want to dwell on this bug anymore. It was kind of dumb. Okay, no database push. Thank you. The website's not loading for you? Try just orbemortar.com. Sometimes that vanity URL doesn't work for some people. Yeah, and if you go to orbemortar.com, there's links to the game in the homepage. You can go down to I could be in Orbem, and then you just play the game. Or you can click the Discord link, which is right pretty much at the top. Yeah, orbemortar.com should be loading. Hold on, let me check on Firefox. Sometimes other browsers reveal the secrets. Nah, it's running. Maybe Safari. It's loading on Safari. Yeah, it's loading on Safari too. Good. It worked? Nice. Should you join the Discord? I don't know if I should. Yes. Definitely join the Discord. It's, you know, I'm not always streaming, so I like to talk to you guys off stream. And, you know, shoot the shit or chat about important things. I got confused for a second because I have the intro music playing on my, my music library as well. It's like, damn it. Did I push? Oh, I gotta push. Doodle-doo. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. And that's my little jingle. I think it's gonna be kind of like the theme of all my music for the game. So if you ever hear that little melody, you'll know. You're like, oh, that reminds me of that Orbem Mortar game, Escape to Orbem. I kind of use it on a few of the video game songs. Let's go to production. And we should have that bug fixed. Did the last message send? That you're a ninja? Alright, see you, catch you later, bud. Good to hear from you. Good to see you're alive. Hopefully you can jump on again sometime. Oh, excuse me. Sama. Oh, what was I doing? Production. Yeah, you can catch me working live on the game. Hey, Harlow's back. Can't sleep. Harlow can never sleep. You did make a paint app that uses a Windows 95 formation, but with the modern animations and onion skin. Oh. Custom sound player you can mess with, and a setting basically my own lo-fi pixeltron. That's weird. So you can like make music with your drawing. When you mentioned the book sharing thing, my message won't send. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, I saw in Discord your writing in the writing channel. That you wrote chapter 1. Wait, this is chapter 1 of the same book that I read? I read like chapter 3 or chapter 2, right? Ah. Oh, listen while drawing. Got it. That makes sense. Wattpad. Oh, look. You already have a fan. So excited to read this book. Heart. Oh, I didn't. I gotta sign up. Hold on, let me sign up. Wattpad. Let me sign up with you, Wattpad. Why won't you let me sign up? Let's try it with Google. Wattpad. Oh, god damn it. Nobody pay attention to my birthday. Pronouns. New. You tried Copify Studio once. Here's static at full blast. Oh god. That's terrifying. Oh, she's your friend. That's cool. You're releasing chapter 2 prologue next. Oh, okay. Then 3 and 4 are read. Oh, okay. So I read 3 and 4. That's what. Hell yeah, man. That's awesome. Choose at least one genre. Fuck. Well, I guess we're going for sci-fi. Interested in writing? Got it. I will like that comment. Very cool. This is the whole first chapter. Short and sweet. I like it. All right, my friend. Can't wait to keep track of darkness beyond the woods, and I'll be your narrator. It is I, Orbem, narrating Darkness Beyond the Woods. And I'll do the background music too. All of that to like a comment. I know. It was a lot of work, wasn't it? No, I'm going to read it. And then I'm going to comment. And you're going to love my comment. What was I doing? Oh yeah, back to production. So, now that we have that stupid ass music issue solved.
You know why I started
Oh
Foresight
fuck.
Brain.
Alright, we gotta stop this. Hold on. So, next thing we need to do, cool thing I programmed into this is you can make it so after a cutscene it sends you to a new area, which is basically what happens with this chat. He talks about, you know, oh, my research facility in Scotland, Thyrus. So after this, it automatically sends you to a new area. So we go here. And all you got to do is go to, I gotta remember how to do this, hold on. I think it's called next area. Yeah, next area. Unfortunately, I need to create that area first. Let's do that real quick. And this is the exciting one, Thyrus. This is the secret science facility that I cannot wait to actually create assets for. Like I said, I created all of these levels already, locally with no final assets. Yeah, you like that gold pool table? Well, see, I had to make everything themed yellow because I kind of chose yellow as the theme for the company, like Foresight. It's like this yellow and white. I don't know. So I'm kind of keeping it like swaggy, you know, like company swag. Everything's like color coded. Hey, what are you looking at, bitch? Yeah, you better fucking walk away. So aggressive. Yeah. Though Thyrus will not be yellow themed. That's just for the tech company. Okay, yeah, so we have a new one, Thyrus. And I don't have anything yet for this. I'm not going to put any entrance for it. Yeah, I know, right? In the book, I mention what he's wearing, so I'm trying to keep it coded, you know, in line, continuity with the book. And the starting position for Thyrus, I don't even know yet. Oh shit, we're gonna need to make, I mean, I guess I could use the old map for now. I can use the old map. which is... Do I have Thyrus here? Shit. No, I don't. I'm going to have to upload it. So where is my old Thyrus? It's in Game Creatives. Look for Thyrus. Should just be a map. Yeah, here we go. There it is, Thyrus. What are flex keys? That actually reminds me about today's sponsor. Flexkeys.shop. Flex keys. Have you ever wondered how I'm so good at playing piano and programming? Well, I'll tell you. It's because of flex keys. You want agile and dexterous fingers. You're a programmer, musician, rock climber, or, you know, you just need stronger, faster fingers. Then there's no better product than flex keys. Start flexing. Yeah, I know. And hey, do you like colors? Because flex keys comes in a million combinations. And that is an exaggeration, hyperbole. It actually comes in like, I don't know, like 30 combinations. But, you know, any kind of color combination that you like, you can find it in this shell and key color. And best part, for the low, low price of $4.99, flex keys can be yours. We ship anywhere in the US. And holy crap, I love my flex keys. It's actually an extremely addicting little fidget tool as well. But it's yeah, best part about it, if you buy yours today, or not today, but anytime I'm streaming, I will actually make them live during the stream, and you can watch it printing live. So that's always a fun little thing for people. Flex keys, guys. Yeah. And that's yeah, that's the product. Flex keys. Brought to you by Orbem Order. And hey, you can see how I actually invented flex keys. The journey of designing an addiction. It's actually a very dark title for the video, but on my other channel, Orbem Order Printing, I document how I got from, you know, an idea to the final product, and it's a fun one. Yellow infested halls filled with grin. Buy flex keys with a free code. Oh shit, totally not a real code. Do not buy it with that code. I'll definitely run some promo codes. I mean, but it's already $4. I mean, maybe I'll give you guys free shipping or something. I don't know. I think for most places, though, yeah, I sponsored myself. Nobody else will sponsor me, so. Brought to you by... What else is it? Spotify. What is this? Spotify. The Orbem Order. Brought to you by the Orbem Order. Listen now on Spotify. Oh, I have to sign up. I don't want to log in, but you get the idea. Sponsored by the Orbem Order, an amazing band inspired by the Hamonian Chronicles universe Orbem. I could sponsor myself all day. Why don't you make trumpet game with it? You're missing an opportunity. What? I don't know what that is. I like the words though. Okay. This is good. And I don't know where to start me, but I'm just going to do like 3,000, 2,000, something like that. Alright. Boop. Okay, so Thyrus exists. Now, during the cutscene, I can send myself there. And let's refresh. Oh, to sign in. Yeah, oh yeah. Go me creating a new account. No, I think I have a Spotify account. I got one just so I could like make sure my music was on there. I don't think I'm paying for it. Oh no, I think I am paying for it maybe. I think my kid has one. Alright. Thyrus. Flex key keyboard plus trumpet game equals cool game. I should make a trumpet game. Yeah, if you play trumpets, flex keys. Buy them. Okay, let's see if this works. So now, after the cutscene, it should send me to Thyrus, which, you know, is brand new and has nothing in it.
What was I doing?
What was I doing again? Skip. Doop. Stop. Here we go. Although I'm gonna have to sit through this long ass spiel again. I would add an option to run, but I have a character that is supposed to be fast.
You know why I started
So,
Foresight, Grain.
It'll force you to use her more.
To take over the world?
No, it was to stretch the boundaries.
No,
of
flex
what
keys are
we
hollow.
thought
You can't
possible,
play them
to
like a
bring
keyboard.
technology to godlike heights.
Oh.
And you
yeah,
can't use
that's
them
what I
as a
meant to
keyboard
say.
either.
No
So that'd
one
be kinda
gets
cool.
it, Grain.
I could definitely do that.
You get it.
No, they're
That's
nice and
why I
light.
chose
Fit
to
in your
bring you
pocket.
here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest lab.
Yeah.
You and
If you buy
Right.
some, you can
Almost like
wire them
Flex,
up
eh?
with some limit switches or something.
not the money, not the board.
And certainly not 99% of the crap that developed and pushed out of here.
So, what does
Great
magic,
writing.
sir?
Magic.
Magic?
Magic, sir? Like wizard magic?
Like wizard magic?
Did you know that lightning was considered magic at one point? Fire? The sun? No, the magic to which I'm referring is not the magic of fantasy.
This is a
It's
good
the
background
unknown.
music for it.
Science yet to be discovered. So far in advance that if anyone from our time saw it in use, they would have to Everyone is afraid of what they cannot comprehend. Just like people are afraid of your research. The world could fly by another 1,000 years and we'd never figure out what a real wormhole is. Space-time has so far been frustratingly beyond mortal.
Magic.
Your research is... I called you here to tell you to continue your research. You are to continue, and in fact double your efforts, effective immediately. You will be stationed at my research facility in Orkney, Scotland.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, did you say
Scotland?
Scotland?
I,
Send me to Thyrus. Yay, it worked. There we go. So this is Thyrus. Scotland. Yes, Thyrus is set in the Orkney Islands of Scotland. So it's actually on one of the uninhabited islands. Okay, this is actually where I need to send him. He gets locked up in this room, has to talk to the receptionist, and then it unlocks this door, and then he goes up here, and then he talks to his onboarder, who he ends up being one of the characters you could play as. Oh yeah, this is where things get real. So let's actually turn dev mode on. I want to pinpoint this starting position. Oh, but for me, actually I should probably just look it up. Yeah, I forgot. Because I need to start mine at 3660. 3660. Oh, that's pretty close. And then, what was it? 3660 by 1202. Cool. Scotland! It's Scotland Yard! Yeah, Scotland is a place I really want to go. And actually in the book I talk about a distillery that's in the Orkney Islands called Highland Park. On the off chance somebody gets my book and they realize that I gave them some free promotion because I actually really like Highland Park Scotch. Be like, we want to sponsor you or something. Send me a care package. That would be awesome. Yeah, it'd be awesome. Okay, actually, this should be an option now. On the level selector. Yep, there it is. Error. Wait, why is there no image? That's weird. Oh wait, did I not give it? No, yes, he has a feature image. Why you no work? Is it because it's an SVG? No, that's an image. What the fuck? Is it because it's an SVG? Maybe? That shouldn't matter though. Let's check it out. Because that is a little weird. Ooh, nice. You want to sponsor me? Sponsor me. Sponsor me. Because I wrote that song. And I feel like somebody stole that song from me. This one too I just came up with. I've been working on this one. Tell me what you think. It's a pretty good song, right? I'm thinking of calling it 4 Ellsworth. What do you think? Why don't you use an engine? Nice song. Oh, thank you. What do you mean why not use an engine? I'm building an engine. You might be new here, but this is my WordPress game engine. So I have full control over this video game within my WordPress website. Look at this, beautiful. Oh wait, what the fuck? Excuse me. Actually, I need to restart because I want to try going to the new level again. Yeah. Look at that black box. I mean, I know 3D animation, but it's 2D, so I might be misleading, but... Clickbait at its prime. That's true. Here's my soundless intro video. And here it is.
I wonder what that sign says.
I wonder what that sign says. That's me. I'm doing all the voiceover for the main character. I'm also gonna do... Why is the video playing again? Why is the intro music playing? God damn it. What is happening? See, now it should be playing, but it's not. Why is it not playing? What is happening to me? It's doing it locally fine. Why is it playing the video? I don't know, man. I think I have a dog in here sleeping somewhere. I hear him. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Let's get out of here. Before the intro music starts playing.
What was I doing?
Yes, Harlow, go to bed. Stop it. Go to your trip. Happy birthday. Oh, it's over. Happy late birthday. Okay. Let's get out of here. I'm not listening to you talk again.
Why I started Foresight, Grain.
Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. Too long. No, no. Okay, good. The starting position worked.
The world could fly by another 1,000 years, and we never figure out what a real wormhole is.
Okay, chill. So is level selector still not working? Yeah, that's weird. Let's check out the local site and see if we can get that, because I really do want the level selector to work. That being said, let's fucking mute. I'm tired of hearing those songs. And let's pull down production database and see if we can get the level selector working. But I think this is going to be the last thing I do. Yes. They are earworms, I agree. Uploads. Wait. No, 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 no. I want to go the other way. No, I don't. Shit. I was right. I want to pull. Correct. I just confused myself. Alright, get out of here. Exactly. Okay. Let's pull. And while we wait. What was I doing? Gotcha. Memory loss. What song is this? Pretty nice. It's just another one of my rando old songs that makes me depressed. I don't know why. I can only write depressing songs. That's not true. I really have my pretty love song that I wrote for the game. Okay, so now this should be good. Yes, correct. So let's leave the game. Level selector, yes, good. So what the fuck, level selector? Oh, this is part of dev mode. Level selector, right? Where is the level selector? Oh, did I make that not in dev mode? I don't remember. Is it here? Level. No. No, I think it's got to be part of dev mode. Where are the templates for dev mode? There. 555 bed 8. Carlo, go to bed. Out of your mind. Wall builder. What the fuck? Where's my level selector? What the hell? I gotta look at the HTML for this shit. It's level option. No. No. I don't know what I'm doing. Why? Is it part of... What? Where is it? Is it part of new additions? Maybe? Alright, let's just do a search. Level option. It's in the start screen. I guess that kind of makes sense. Okay. So the image... Oh. Explore map SVG is what I'm getting. Oh, that's right. Feature image was supposed to be the SVG. I really have to swap that. I confused myself. I'm dumb. So I need to put that over here. Yo, go here. Now it'll work. Correct. I summoned the air mattress. Okay, here we go. I didn't even have to do a code change. Level selector. There it is. It's so small though. Why? Why are you so small? They should all be the same size. Maybe because I've only done 2 so far. Gap is 1M. Gap is 2. Is there an over? No, it shouldn't matter. I guess I should do like, Why are these perfectly 300, but this one is not? They're all the same thing. I guess I can define 300. Yeah, probably just have to do that. So what is it, level option? Let's check that out. That would be, yeah, level option width 300 pixels. Oh my god, shut up, dog. And we'll push that up. Though this doesn't need to delay anything. Almost forgot the database. Waterbed, go. Waterbed, waterbed. Go. Push. That's my pretty song. Alright, we should be good now, so we can go Thyrus. That's not... That should not be playing. I don't know why things are playing when they shouldn't. Let's try again. See, it should be playing now. But it's not. That's the weird part. What did I break? Because it works locally. I don't know what the hell's going on. What the fuck? Why is that playing? Start screen. Oh wait. Play start screen music. Oh, it's when the video ends? Maybe it's detecting the video end? Or maybe I'm like as if I'm clicking the skip button? I'm definitely not clicking the skip button though. Wait, how do I stop the start screen music though? Don't I stop it somehow? Wait. Oh, I can play false. When I engage this. Oh, okay. So I actually need to do this as well, I think. Enter new area. Just in case I use the level. There we go. Much better. Anyways, I think we're good for tonight. I'm very excited to start working on Thyrus. I think I'm going to have to do some asset creation. Maybe on my own time. I don't know how boring it is for you guys to watch me Photoshop levels together, but yeah. Harlow, get some sleep. Sama, always a pleasure, my friend. It's been a very fun night. Dak, dude, thanks for jumping on earlier tonight. My first Twitch person in a while. I don't know what happened to Twitch. It fell off, but I'm glad you guys are still chilling on YouTube. And Wreath, we hope you subscribed. Love to have you back on. Thanks for the cool question. And saying some stuff. E-Waste, that was fun. Thanks for also jumping on and contributing with some great questions and asking about flex keys. Always a pleasure talking about today's sponsor. And who else did we have earlier? I think that was it. Everybody who's been watching in the future, thanks for jumping on and watching. Always appreciate the views. Make sure you are followed, subscribed, and you can catch me live sometime. Love a conversation. Been in the industry for a long time, so ask me anything you want about programming, website programming, or anything about having a job in general, because I've had too many. And feel free to catch me maybe tomorrow. You know, during summertime it's a little bit spotty, but so far I've been pretty consistent on streaming. So definitely AI buy my flex tape, my flex keys. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you enjoy this little ditty here. See ya.